Hi, my name is Mark Daniels. I'm here to talk to you about Maintenance Minder 6, replacing your rear differential fluid. The oil used in the rear differential of your all-wheel drive vehicle is referred to as gear oil. The purpose of the differential is to transfer power from the front wheels to the rear when wheel slippage occurs. The rear differential fluids keep your gear mechanism lubricated to prevent any erosion of the parts. If the fluid levels are low or deteriorated, then there are chances that the parts of the rear differential may become damaged or may prematurely wear out. The rear fluid, kept at optimum level and changed regularly, will save you money and prevent costly repairs or replacements. There may be a need for replacement of the rear differential fluids if they have been contaminated by water. Refer to the owner's manual in order to know when to get rear differential fluids checked and to prevent overheating due to the metal-to-metal wear. Visit us at Midtown Honda in order to get the fluid levels of your vehicle checked. Our experienced team of professionals will guide you and advise you if you have any queries regarding the repairs.